Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to blink an LED on your Raspberry Pi. So, let's get started on the code. So, because you're using your GPIO pins, you're going to want to go into the LX terminal. Yep, and open and do sudo idle 3. So then launch that. And so I'm going to be showing you the code, and then I'll show you the setup, and then I'll run the code and show you what it actually does. Right, okay, so we're going to want to make a new one, file new, and put import rpi.gpio as GPIO. Okay, so that just makes it like so you can work with the GPIO pins. And then we want to also import time. Okay, so now we need to set it up, the actual thing. So first we need to put GPIO.set warnings false. Now this will just stop any warnings from coming up. It'll work if you don't have this, but it just clears everything out of the way. So now we need to actually set up the GPIO for what we want to do. So we need to do GPIO.setMode, GPIO.board. Oh, I meant a dot there. Oh no, what am I doing now? GPIO.board. Okay. And then close those parentheses. And then GPIO.setup. And then we're going to be using pin 11, so we put 11 GPIO.out. So you're saying that it's an output. Right. Oh, not pout. Out. Right, okay, then close the parentheses. Now we need to get to actually what we're actually going to make it do. So we need to do a while true loop and go GPIO.output. Oh, not in capitals though, make sure you don't do it in capitals. (11) GPIO.high. So that'll turn pin 11 on, which is what we want. And then time.sleep 1. So that'll sleep for 1 second, so it'll just stay on for a second. And then GPIO.output 11 GPIO.low. And then again we want time.sleep. Right, so now we'll run the code and see what it does. So, but first I'll show you the setup. Right, so this is how we want the setup for the LED connected to your Raspberry Pi. So we want power, that's the red wire, going into the 6th GPIO pin from the left. So that is pin 11. So that leads, and it needs to go to the longer end of the LED, so the longer leg. Then the other one, you need to go from the shorter leg to the 3rd one in, which is ground. So now I'll show you what it does when it runs. Right, so now we'll run the code and see what it does. So I've got it open, I've named it blink.py. Just a little change, I put rpi with an capital I before, but it's actually a lowercase I. So now let's run the program. F5, source must be saved, okay. So now it's running, and in the top right corner you can see what the LED is doing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.